Between Sparrow Lake and Lake Couchiching, the Trent-Severn Waterway narrows into a tree-lined cut that feels more like a river than a canal. The channel here is tight, maybe 60 feet wide, with mirror-flat water and autumn color reflecting off both banks. And dead ahead, an old steel railway bridge blocks the way. This is the CN Rail Swing Bridge near Washago, one of the few active railway swing bridges left on the waterway. It pivots on that massive concrete pier in the center of the channel. When a train needs to cross, the bridge swings closed and locks into position. When boats need to pass, it swings open. The closed clearance is 14 feet. That's enough for most runabouts and smaller cruisers. But if you're running a trawler with a flybridge or a sailboat with any kind of rig, you're calling for an opening. But here's the catch. During hot weather, especially if overnight temperatures stay above 80 degrees, the steel in this bridge expands and the span physically cannot swing open. It happens during the hottest stretches of summer, and when it does, you're stuck waiting. The good news, all it takes is one night of rain to cool the steel down enough for it to move again. Approach slow. You'll see the 10 km/h speed sign on the pivot pier. Recently, a highway-style digital sign has been installed on the bank near the bridge. It displays the next scheduled opening and upcoming train crossings, so keep an eye out for it as you approach. The navigable opening is narrow, so line up early and hold your course. If you have questions about bridge openings, call the Bridgemaster. The number is listed on the bridge information page at Trent-SevernGuide.com. This is one of those spots on the TSW that reminds you, you're sharing this waterway with a working railroad that's been here longer than the canal. Safe travels out there.